the allergies, the butterflies. My mind, I'm on promethazine, time flies. Look in her eyes of her apologies, eclipse. I've missed the things that I could have been. Timings, describing it's like a fantasy, but news flash, the flashbacks. I feel like a dream, the hashtags on your Instagram. It might be Hollywood acting, feeling like the movies. And it's so unethical, and I know you're irresistible, but she's gonna leave me miserable. You gotta think about the fight she goes out all the time. You shouldn't blink twice, cause there she goes out every Saturday night. She tells her parents she'll be back by 9. She won't, and when she's trying to cut between the lines, she tells her bouncer that she's gonna call, but she don't like to see what's on her mind, because we tell her she's fine, we all know she's not.
Gaxilic on the track.
So dive in to the mic, you've been hiding the timings. I guess it was bad cause that siren that rings when you text back you're retiring. And it's clear to see that, but it's so unethical, and I know you're irresistible, but she's gonna leave me miserable. I've gotta think about the fight she goes out all the time. You shouldn't blink twice, cause there she goes out every Saturday night. Tells her parents she'll be back by 9. She won't, and when she's trying to cut between the lines, tells her bouncer that she's gonna call, but she won't like to see what's on her mind, because she tells her she's fine, but we all know she's not.